In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block pop-ups on Google Chrome Windows 11. By the end, you'll know how to use Chrome's built-in tools to shut down intrusive windows and stop those surprise redirects that take over your browsing. First, we'll turn on Chrome's built-in pop-up blocker, which is the fastest way to block most pop-ups across all sites. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Look to the top right and click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security, and then click Site Settings. Scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects and open it. Here, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This single switch tells Chrome to block the vast majority of pop-ups automatically and to stop sites from bouncing you to new tabs or windows without your say-so. If you're ever unsure whether the setting took effect, just revisit this page to confirm it's set to Don't Allow. Now, let's say only a handful of sites are causing trouble. Maybe you clicked Allow on a site once and now it keeps opening new windows. You can block those individually without affecting the rest of the web. From that same pop-ups and redirects page, look for the Allowed section. Find the website that's been slipping through. Click the three dots next to its name, then choose Block. That moves the site out of the allowed list and prevents it from opening pop-ups going forward. This is a great way to stay strict with problem sites while keeping your global settings simple and secure. A quick but important note: not everything that looks like a pop-up is a true pop-up. Some interruptions are notification spam, where a site you allowed is sending alerts through your browser, not opening new windows. Others are deceptive ads or fake redirect tabs that behave like malware. If you still see unexpected windows after turning on the pop-up blocker and cleaning up the allowed list, it's a sign you might be dealing with notifications or potentially unwanted software. In that case, consider reviewing your site notifications in Chrome or running a reputable malware scan on your PC to make sure nothing suspicious is installed. That's it. You've enabled Chrome's best protection and learned how to target specific offenders when needed. With these settings in place on Windows 11, your browsing should feel calmer, cleaner, and much more in your control.